Now I'm going to show you guys, I found the proper paddle shifters extensions for Passat. This is the previous product that I purchased. It doesn't fit, but this one does. There you go. This is how this should look like. This is the left. This is the right. They can mount it like this. They already came with double-sided tape, which I removed. I'm glad that they didn't try to fake it this time. It's not called 3NM. So I'm going to use the genuine 3M tape from Scotch that you can buy from Staples. That way I'm sure that this is going to adhere properly. Now I'm going to show you where I bought it from. I bought it from eBay, and this is the item description: silver steering wheel shift paddle shift extension for Volkswagen, CC and Terramont. Now these are the models that this product fits to. C-Track Terramont is basically Atlas in the US market, Tiguan, Fideon and CC. So and this is the picture. Of course they come in different colors, but just so you know, if you're looking for something similar, it still has to fit Volkswagen Terramont 2017-2019, which is Atlas. And this is how they're gonna look. Goes here. Other one goes here. Got my tape in place. Try to stay away from these edges. And let's use a heat gun now. There you go. Pretty cool.